Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to use OnePay at Walmart. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. To use OnePay at Walmart, what you need to do is first head over and then open up your OnePay app. Now once you're inside here, what you need to do is simply tap on this sign up option on the bottom of the screen. Then once you're inside here, what you need to do is log in with your mobile number or your email instead. Now once logged into your account, what you need to do is access the wallet. To do it, navigate to the OnePay wallet tab. Then what you need to do is initiate payment. To do it, tap on scan to pay or QR code icon. Then at the checkout or fuel station, scan the QR code displayed on the screen. Then select the payment method that you like linked to complete the transaction. All you gotta do is simply confirm the transaction and you'll be able to use OnePay at Walmart. So these are a couple of steps that you can apply, and that's it for today's video guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down any questions that you have, and see you soon on the next one.